Problem 3. After being folded once, a piece of paper is now 2 layers tall. So that makes sense, right? Piece of paper folded in half. Now from the side, it would look like this. So 2 layers tall. After being folded for a second time, it is now 4 layers tall. So now it would look something like this. 4 layers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. One more fold and 4 more layers become 8 layers. After being folded 30 times, estimate about how tall this piece of paper is. So first we're asked to estimate, and we also know that one sheet of paper is 0.01 millimeters. Is it taller than 1 story in a building or 10 stories? Okay, first, since there's a lot of repetition coming in here, we are going to make a table to list out all that information. Okay, and then we know, and we're going to have two values. One is number of pieces, and this is going to be thickness. All right, so the number of pieces, let's start with the first fold. So now it's 2 layers tall, which means it's two in 2 pieces, and its thickness would be 2 layers, so 2 times 0.01, that would be 0.02. Now it's 4 layers, so it's 4 pieces, and times 0.01, that's 0.04. Okay, and then for our next one, it's 8, so 0.08, and you kind of start seeing a pattern here. Let's try going one more fold, and that would probably be 16. And as you can see, it's starting to form a proportional sequence from times 2. So this is a very important line you should always try to recognize. So this is also 2 to the first power, 2 to the second power, 2 to the third power, 2 to the fourth power. Now, okay, we're being asked one more, it's being folded 30 times. If it's folded 30 times, it means it's 2 to the 30th power. And so right here, we can write 2 to the 30th power. And let's estimate about how tall 2 to the 30th power would be. So 2 to the 30th power would be around 1 million, and that is a lot. So this is just approximately 1 million. Could be more, could be less, but about that. So it's asking, so that was our estimate, and what is it taller than 1 story in a building? Could a story ever be 1 million millimeters, or is 10 stories either? No, it's way taller than that. So that's why this is our final answer. No, and no, and this is our